Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome. So you can set it as your default rather than Microsoft Edge. So we're going to go do a search for Google Chrome and click there. Let's have a look. Ooh, download now? Yes, please. And we're going to download Chrome. Help make it better? Not really, unless you really want to. I don't. So we're going to click accept install and we're going to run. Would we like to set up? Yes, please. Just click the cross here. Google Chrome is downloading. Thank you very much. Let's have a look. We'll close the Edge background, make it easier. Nearly done. Does depend on the speed of your broadband, but obviously the one I'm using is quite quick, so happy days. So Google Chrome is downloaded. We've run the setup and it's all installed. So we'll click the cross here now and we'll look at the desktop icon. Double click. Welcome to Chrome. Not now. And you can start using it without logging in, without doing anything else, and Edge is no longer the browser you use. So hope you like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye.